Hi, this is Richie from Crazy Rides Inc. And I'm back here to give you a review on a product that we just got and we'll be installing on our next video on one of our bikes. So let's see what we got. Okay, we're gonna open this up. You might say, what did he get now? Okay, let's do this without cutting into the box. Okay? Boy, they really wrapped this up pretty good. Here you go. Okay. Oh. All right. Let's see what we have here. Right, folding this up, let me get the box out of the way. And one of the first things, very well packaged. As you could see, this whole thing is packaged with foam, bags, foam in the bags. All right, so, this is what it is. It's a fairing spoiler with extended, oh, this is nice. Wow. Look at the shine on that. I'm gonna tell you something. The quality of this piece, oh, and it's thick too. This is not any cheap, with reinforcement ribs. You see that? Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, so this is for a 2017 to 2023 road glide. You may see these on the CVOs outside of the brand new one. It's a little different, of course, a lot different. But on those models that I just mentioned, those years, you'll see this on the CVOs. This was a standard product. This went right underneath the fairing attached to it, and it went all the way down to the oil cooler. There's actually, should be a piece in there that has a cover for the oil cooler. Okay, so let's take out the other side. Okay, as you can see again, packaged very, very nicely. Very, very nice. I'm gonna open this up. You know, we're only about, what is it, 3 days from Christmas. This is like opening up Christmas gifts early. Early. Okay. And here is the opposite side. Okay. And it actually goes this way. I get it. So it goes like this. Okay. This would be the front, and this is the back part of the spoiler, the back part of the spoiler onto the onto the fairing on the lower part. Okay, so those two pieces are well made. Let's get to the bottom of this. Let's get to the bottom of it. Again, wrapped very good. All right, so this is the part that goes on the bottom. Anybody with a road glide knows what all this is. Anybody that's looking to purchase a road glide, you'll know that you can purchase this separately. So this is what goes on the bottom of the spoiler, all right? And this is the way it's gonna look. Let's get this. Oh, wow, what a nice fit. It actually has a clip here that allows it to fit in here. Let me get this right here. Let's see if I'm doing this right. Okay, so it fits in here, clips in, like so, and it all gets bolted together. This is a nice setup. Really, really nice. Let's see. Ah, there it goes. Goes in, slips in there. Aha. Wow. Okay, so I actually have this slipped in. I'm gonna hold it because I don't want to break any of the tips. This is just guides, and then you bolt everything up. But this is what it looks like on one side. So it fits in here, goes in here, clips in there, and then it all gets bolted together. What a nice piece. Very, very sturdy. Very, very nice. And let's carefully and gingerly take this out of here. If I can. Okay. So we're gonna just leave that right now because I just installed it. But here are the components. Comes with nuts and bolts, screws and fasteners. It doesn't allow you to have to go out and buy them. So everything is included. Let's see what we have here. Okay, again, wrapped real tight. Hey, look at that. So I just explained everything to you, but it does come with instructions. How is that? And it has a nice little bag, right? With all the goodies in it. So this project is not only easy or simple, it comes with instructions to make it even more easier. So this is a real nice, there's a real nice product here. I'm gonna show you once again. This is called the fairing spoiler, extended chin spoiler. So this goes below the fairing, right over here. Comes down, covers the oil cooler. So you take the old one off, which is normally flat black. So this is, again, beautifully painted. Excellent quality. Excellent quality. I highly recommend it. This will go on this side. And this is the way it'll look. Okay? This is the way it'll look on your bike. I really like this. Very nice. So this was black. And also, I believe it comes in prime if you want to do your own paint. And we're going to have the link to this product on our YouTube channel. This way you can click on it, go right to it, and purchase it. Again, this is a quality piece of work. Painting is very, very nice. No complaints. Very shiny. Very, very good. Very good. Okay, I think I've said that enough. Okay, I'm sold. So we'll be installing this very shortly. It'll be on our next video. And if you're interested in this product, just go on our link. It'll drop down right to where you can purchase it. And that's it. So this is Richie from Crazy Rides Inc. signing off. We'll see you again soon. And Merry Christmas coming up in a few days to all. Thank you. A quick note. When installing this lower fairing, you will either have to purchase, or if you already have, the chopped engine guard, which will be the only engine guard you'll be able to use with this Spurler kit. So if you have anything longer or higher up rather, then you will have to replace that engine guard, or old schoolers, crash bar, to a chopped engine guard.